Hi, Joe Cerrone. Welcome to Intermediate AutoCAD in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. This week we'll be releasing Module 3. Module 3 is on traditional drafting techniques and drafting tools. And so we've kind of modeled it after a continuation of Module 2, where we'll create our two-dimensional views and then create our three-dimensional models. And so we have Lab 3A, 3B, and 3C. If we take a look at the book objectives, this is going to talk to us about our traditional drafting techniques, straight from the textbook as we go through and we start to work with how were drawings created before we had CAD with triangles, scales, protractors. You had to have a lot of stuff really to create pencil drawings, let alone to have a whole assortments of different pencils and lead and paper, etc. Here's some shortcut commands, and here's our information from the PowerPoint. Switching back to our main splash page. Here's the labs. And so if you click on each of these links, it will give you the dimensions for the parts to create. I'm not sure why that one downloaded, but, and I believe that's because it's PDF. But as we go on, you can also download the title blocks. Here's a metric title block or an inch title block. So if we were doing an inch drawing, we'd select that. And then when we open it, that title block will be set to work with inch units. Switching back over to our course. There we are. Review questions are bonus. You don't have to do those. And then here's the videos for this module.
CAD 117.
And so I walk you through these drawing assignments. And my internet connection's a bit slow this week, but you can check those out. And how to create these different models. Everything is color coded. If you have any difficulties, or if you have any difficulties with the links, sometimes you'll have some linking issues. Go to the content section for Module 3 and try the links there, because sometimes they'll refer back to a different course. And so anything that you see with the word web page is a video. And so that will link to those same videos if you do have any links that get broken. Okay, with that, I'm going to start to wrap up this meeting. Next week is spring break, so there will be no meeting next week. If you look under the content section and the outline of topics, sequence of topics, you can keep an idea of where we are and what we're doing. And so as we work our way through this, today's the 10th, we're going through and creating these mechanical drawings. And then next week, spring break. And then once we return, we'll continue this work into architectural drawings. All right, switching back to our main splash page. I'll see you in 2 weeks. If you have any questions or concerns, instant message us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a good day.